English reading. The short text.
Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started.
Hello, goodbye. I say, goodbye, Mom. I go to school. I say, good morning, teacher. I play outside. I say, hi. How are you? To my friend. I go home. At the farm. We are at the farm. Look. What is it? It's a horse. Look. What is it? It's a hen. Look. What is it? It's a goat. I like the farm. My backpack. I'm at school. This is my backpack. Look inside. What are they? They are books. What are they? They are pencils. What are they? They are crayons. I like school. The merry-go-round. I'm at the playground. I'm with my friends. We play on the merry-go-round. We go around. How many friends are there? There are 5 friends. We have fun. Different weather. The weather changes from day to day. In spring, you need your umbrella. In summer, you need your fan. In fall, you need your sweater. In winter, you need your scarf. In spring, it is wet. In summer, it is hot. In fall, it is cool. In winter, it is cold.
Thank you for watching this video.